everyone, welcome back to the kitchen, and today we are going to share some delicious salad toppers, chips, low carb chips that you can use with a dip. These are Italian Parmesan Frico, and we're going to be making them in this blue diamond cookware that I'm going to share with you, and I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. We're gonna go over the ingredients for our Parmesan Frico, and
all two of them?
Super simple. There's actually 4 ingredients here. Just looks like 2. I have about 1.5 cups of freshly grated real Parmesan cheese. This is from the deli cheese counter. You don't want to use the stuff in the green canister or anything that you buy that says Parmesan cheese that you get on the shelf by the spaghetti sauce. That won't work. That is cardboard cheese. That's what I call cardboard cheese in my house. Real Parmesan is the way to go here because we're going to be making a chip that you can use to serve with a dip. This is a great alternative if you're on a low carb diet. Parmesan chips are fantastic, but we're going to be using these as an accompaniment to dress a chicken Caesar salad. Along with our fresh Parmesan, we're going to want to use some seasoning. So I have 1/2 teaspoon each of dried oregano and dried basil and 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. And really, all you have to do is toss that together with your cheese. Just stir it up and get it well incorporated. And then we're going to show you how we make Frico. Today's video is sponsored by the good folks at Blue Diamond, and they have sent me some cookware to test out today. It is super non-stick, and I'm going to give you some info on that. Before we move on, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new to my kitchen, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. Please be sure and hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. So we've got our Parmesan mixture all ready to go. We've got our pan nice and hot. And you can make one big Frico or you can make little ones. So I'm just gonna go ahead, like I said, I have this sitting over medium heat. It's on a 5 on my stove. And just like you would if you were making pancakes, just go ahead and put little piles of Parmesan out around your pan and let the heat do the magic. Now you just wanna leave this alone, spread it out, and then let the heat turn this into a melty kind of chip. You'll be able to tell when it's time to turn them over because they will easily be able to be moved and the outer portions of the Frico will be turning a nice golden brown. While we're waiting on our Frico to finish so that we can turn it, I wanted to tell you a little bit about, okay, so Blue Diamond Cookware is a new standard of non-stick cookware. Maybe you've seen this advertised on the TV. I have a couple of times, and it intrigued me. When they contacted me and invited me to try it, of course I said yes because I have to share it with you. It's got a diamond infused coating that is 5 times harder and lasts 10 times longer and transfers heat 4 times faster than traditional non-stick coatings. It has a warp control base. A heavy-duty forge base ensures extreme strength, so you'll never have to worry about warping, wobbling, or degrading over time. That is something that does bother me about cookware. When you buy it and then you use it for a few times, and then all of a sudden it gets twisted and it never sits flat on the burner. This is oven and broiler safe up to 800, well, it's oven safe and broiler safe up to 850 degrees, which kind of blew my mind. It's dishwasher safe and it's toxin free. It's manufactured without PFAS and PFOA. It has no lead or cadmium. The 14-piece set, which they're also offering, that includes a 7 and a 9.5 inch open fry pan, a 2.5 quart covered skillet, a 2 quart and a 3 quart covered saucepan, a 5 quart covered stock pot, a stainless steel steamer, and 3 multi-purpose nylon cooking utensils. This spatula that I have here is one of those. It also comes with a ladle and a solid spoon. They're gearing up for Prime Day, so you guys, Prime Day on Amazon is coming up on the 15th and 16th of the month, so next week, and they're going to be offering some really awesome deals. So they'll be offering that 14-piece set on a Prime Day exclusive. It usually retails for $129.99. It's going to be on Prime Day special for $90.99. And the 4-piece set that includes this 11-inch skillet, the steamer plate, a lid, and a skimmer, or what I like to call a spider. It's great for frying. That set normally retails for $49.99, and it's going to be on a Prime Day special price of $19.99. So if you are one of those folks who likes to do their Christmas shopping a little early or throughout the year, this might be a great way for you to get some of these sets and put them away for friends, family. If you have a wedding coming up, this would make a great wedding gift. If you've got a kid who's graduated from college and is going to be moving into the workforce and into their first apartment, great gift also. I could think of a whole bunch of reasons why you would need to get some of this cookware. So you can see here our Frico. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. And you can see this is super non-stick. Now you can control the color of your Frico. If you like them lighter, please do this over a lower heat. And I'm going to actually lower my pan down to a 4. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take these off in just a second. And we're going to remove them to a plate with some paper toweling. Super non-stick. Wow, these are just sliding all over the place. So I'm going to take these out of the pan and I'm going to put them on the paper towels. You want to leave these alone and you're going to want them to cool completely, and then they'll turn into beautiful crispy chips. I'm just finishing up our Frico and I'm on my last batch. I just wanted to point something out to you. The conductivity on this pan is kind of fantastic. It goes all the way to the edge. You can see these are sizzling evenly all the way to the edge of the pan. Now I have used pans in the past where that is not the case, where you'll get cold spots toward the outer edges of the pan if that particular clad plate that is on some cookware doesn't go all the way to the edge of the pan. It's not going to have this even conductivity and even heating. So that is something that really does impress me. These are just my initial thoughts. So I just wanted to share them with you. So I just wanted to show you very little fat has rendered out of the cheese, and the pan is wonderful. I just wanted to show you how easy it is. Of course you're gonna wash it, but just like those infomercials do, I just wanted to show you how easy it is just to wipe that right out, and boom, your pan is clean. I'll be putting this in the dishwasher after it is completely cool, and it'll get a good washing. But right now I'm gonna let my Fricos cool off. I'm gonna be back, I'm gonna show you what they look like, and I can't wait to give them a try. Well, there you have it. Our Frico are all finished. These are delicious. You have to give them a good amount of time. You want them to cool completely, and you want them to be crispy. So, I made some of the darker ones here. These have the herbs in them, and then I made some plain, just with the cheese right out of the container. And you can adjust your heat to accommodate whatever darkness level you want. You know what these remind me a lot of? Not only does your kitchen smell like pizza when you're making them, but these remind me of that crispy cheese on the outside of the lasagna that you get, and that I personally love that. When you make a baked ziti or a lasagna or something of that nature and you get that crispy cheesy edge, that's what the Frico reminds me of. And it's delicious all on its own, but it's also great, like I said, with an olive tapenade as a dip, or you can even put these in what we're gonna do a few videos from now. We're gonna be putting these in a chicken Caesar salad, and these Parmesan chips are gonna be perfect accompaniment, and a crispy element, salty element, and they're gonna just go perfectly with that salad. This pan was amazing. My first impression in the video, I have not used it before today. My first impression is it's a very well made pan. They sent me the 14-piece cookware set. I will be continuing to use that in the future. I shared pictures of that with you earlier in the video so you could see what it looked like. Don't forget, the Prime Day pricing is kind of out of this world. The 14-piece set normally retails for $129.99, on sale for Prime Day for $90.99. And then this is the 4-piece set with the 11-inch saute pan and with the glass lid, steamer plate, and mesh skimmer. Normally retails $49.99, on Prime Day special for $19.99. That is a really great way to dip your toe in the water. Give this cookware a try. Look, you guys, this is just from me wiping it out with the paper towel after I used it. It looks like it got washed. I'm confident that if you're in the market for new cookware, or know someone who is, or if you're getting ready to gift someone for some occasion, like college graduation, a wedding, moving into a new apartment, a housewarming, or maybe you're just going to squirrel this away for a future Christmas gift, this stuff is really great, and I think that you'll really like it. If you're interested, I'm going to leave links down below in the information box. It'll take you right to their Amazon page, and you'll be able to have a look for yourself. So that's how you make Parmesan Frico, and that's a little bit of information on Blue Diamond Cookware. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. I also would like to thank them for sending me the cookware to try so that I could share it with you. We will definitely be using this in our house in the future, and I hope you give these Frico a try sometime soon, and I hope that you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.